What's Gucci YouTube? It's your boy Brandon, back with another YouTube video. You know what it is. Now let me start off for saying thank you to all of my fans out there who follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that other stuff. Thank you for doing that. Thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 1,024 subscribers. So we're on the road to get to 2,000. So, and sooner or later we might hit 1,000,000. You never know. But make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to the channel, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the other channels that will be in the link in the description. And let's get right into this video. So as you guys saw inside the title, you guys want to learn how to get free money. You guys have been like freaking spamming my DMs, my Instagram, especially Instagram. You guys have been saying, oh, can you send money, send money. I'm not gonna send money because I posted a video for a reason, so you guys can do it. So I'm gonna show you another way how to do it. And if you guys if it doesn't work, the only option I'm gonna say if it doesn't work is the cause of that is if you're in a different country, state, or whatever. I don't know. I'm in California, so it's working for me. I don't know if it works for you, but let's get right into this video. So before, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna show you, as you can see, I spend majority of my freaking money and put most of it into a bank account so I can get my car. So left me with $50. So as you guys can see, this will change after this video. I'm gonna be showing you it, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. I mean, not subscribe, go ahead and follow me on the SoundCloud. It's pretty cringy, but listen to the songs, it's pretty hilarious. But let's get right into it. So here's the website. This will pop up on the screen, or it will be in the link in the description. So let me read off to you. You guys can fast forward if you want, or just listen to the whole video. PayPal Money Adder. How does it work? Use this to earn free $500 through $1,000 in your PayPal account for free instant. You can get money in your PayPal account in just 3 minutes. Complete these steps below for availing our free PayPal. No, please complete every step carefully for availing our PayPal money at blah blah blah. One step. The first step, PayPal payment details. Enter your PayPal email amount and click on Add Now. And it says enter your PayPal email, so let's go ahead and do that. This is my first time trying it, so I'm just as new as you are. And it says confirm. They spell confirm wrong. I'm sleep. Whoa. Let's just keep going. Confirm your PayPal email. Okay, now there's that, and it says amount. Please not enter more than. Dude, whoever created this freaking website is stupid. Listen to how stupid this sounds. Amount. Please not enter more than $1,000. If I'm smart enough to switch that around, you should have put amount. Please do not enter more than $1,000. Not please not enter more than $1,000. This person needs help, whoever created this thing, but let's see if this works still. So let's go ahead. Let's just do a little small amount. Let's do 50. And if you guys didn't notice, if I didn't tell you this already, if you put like a, what's it called? A big number in there, like you want $1,000 right away, it's gonna take time. If you like put $1 or like 50, it will render faster. You'll get the money faster. So let's just do 50 right now. $50. Now let's click add money. Now it says copy below the text and paste it in 20 different comments of YouTube videos. I think I did a video like this before, but last time it said like 10. So let's just do what it said. And let's see if I can just like get past it without doing it. Oh, never mind. It says, do you want a money adder now? That makes no sense. Do you want to add money? Oh, never mind. It does. I'm stupid. Alright, yeah, I want to add money now. Just click prevent this page for additional dialogues. Now let's go ahead and copy this. And let's go over to some random videos. Let's just do, I watched this guy. Go ahead and subscribe to 𝓤𝓽𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰. Go ahead and subscribe to him. He probably might get mad because I know him at a personal stage. So he might get mad because I'm just about to be spamming his freaking videos. Let me go on his vlog channel. Could have just went right there, but let's go right here. No, it just says copy it 20 times. So this is the first time. I'm just clicking on random videos and doing it. This is the, come on, load up. You guys should be subscribing while I'm doing this. I hope you didn't fast forward the video to see if I did it, because you guys might miss a step. Okay, there it is right there. That's the second time. 𝓤𝓪𝓽𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰 reacts. Go ahead, subscribe to him too. That's his cousin. Okay, there it is. That's the third time. Let's go to this rapper first. 𝓤𝓪𝓽𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰. I have no idea who that guy is, but I'm just freaking doing this. That's the fourth time. Comment below if I'm like skipping numbers. I'm trying to record and say numbers at the same time while copying and pasting. Comment. Let's go ahead. I think this is the fifth time. I freaking lost count already. This is the fifth time. I'm pretty sure this is the fifth time. That's the fifth. This is the sixth time. And let me tell you something. Do not comment 20 times on the same video. It's not gonna work. Like the last video, you guys have been commenting on my video like freaking 20 times and thinking it's gonna work. It's not gonna work. Do not comment on the same video 20 times. Okay, now this is the seventh time. I feel like I skipped a number. This is the seventh time. Now this is going to be the eighth time. Here's the eighth time. Comment below if I'm getting out of order. Okay, I think this is the ninth time I'm about to click. Music videos play. I don't know if it's gonna affect the process of the money, but I don't know. Now this is the 10th time. This is taking long. Now, mistake. I think that's the 11th time. That's the 11th time. Okay, see, I already comment there. Do not comment again. So, like, forward over to some other videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that right here. Logic's girlfriend has a YouTube? Hey, go subscribe to them. Logic, I think he's my third favorite rapper. Go ahead and subscribe to him. Yo, I just lost count. I think this is the 13th. 13th. I don't know. Now that's the 14th, I'm pretty sure. This is the 15th. I feel like I'm at freaking 12 though. That's 15. Here's the the 16th. Here's the come on. Load up. This is the 17th. here's the, did I say 18th already? Here's the 19th. Now here's the last one. There you go, 20th. Bam. Oh, I know I missed like 2 or 3. So I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 extra. There we go. You guys can fast forward it now if you want. There you go, I did an extra 3 more. Now let's go back to it, and let's go ahead and what's it called? Oh yeah, let's go back and what's it called? Click it. So let's go back to the PayPal and see if the what's it called? The wallet has changed. So let's go back to the PayPal. See, there we go. It actually worked. So I was pretty surprised. I thought it wasn't gonna work because all the spelling errors that website had, but apparently it works. So as you guys can see, what's it called? It has basically, I don't even know what it did. It just put money to my account. So like I said, if you do like small renders like $15 or $50, or I'm pretty sure $100 will render fast. If you do like $500 or $1,000, it will render slow. So as you guys can see, it worked. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe on this channel, because I know this video might help some of you and it might not. I'm sorry if it's not gonna help you, but you can watch my other videos. They will be just click on videos on my channel and scroll down and you see all the other PayPal videos and see if those will help you. So like I said again, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to at least 5 people or anybody, or don't share it at all if you're a hater. Comment below if it works, and yeah, peace out.